Hello, friends! Welcome! Today we are going to learn shapes together. Yay!
Quack, quack! Woof, woof!
Look, friends! This is a circle. Round and round, just like a ball. Look, friends! This is a triangle. 1, 2, 3. 3 straight sides. Look, friends! This is a square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. Look, friends! This is a rectangle. 2 long sides and 2 short sides.
Rectangle!
Look, friends! This is a star. Twinkle, twinkle, shining bright. 1, 2, 3. Look, friends! This is a heart. It means love. Love, love, love.
Wow! It's shining! What's this shape?
Diamond. It has 4 sides like a tilted square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It has 5 sides. This is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon. 6 sides. Wow! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an octagon. It has 8 sides. Stop. Wow, the moon. It's shaped like this, crescent. Banana looks like a crescent. We did it, friends. We learned so many shapes. Circles, trot, oval,